Can I pay Venmo with phone number? Intro. Question hook. Ever wondered if you can pay someone on Venmo just by knowing their phone number? It's a common question that pops up when you're trying to quickly settle up with friends or family. Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Venmo. Brief overview. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment app that makes it easy to send and receive money. It's often used for splitting bills, paying back loans, and even tipping. Traditional payment methods. Historically, Venmo has primarily relied on usernames or QR codes for payments. But has that changed? The phone number dilemma. Myth or fact? Let's address the rumor head-on. Can you really pay someone on Venmo simply by entering their phone number? The challenge, while it might seem convenient, there's a significant hurdle to overcome. Venmo doesn't directly link phone numbers to user accounts for security reasons. Workarounds and alternatives. Username lookup. If you know the person's Venmo username, you can easily find and send them money. QR code scanning. Venmo allows you to scan a friend's QR code to initiate a payment. Contact information sharing. If you're comfortable sharing personal information, you can ask the person to send you their Venmo username or QR code. Security considerations. Privacy concerns. While using phone numbers for payments might seem convenient, it raises privacy concerns. Sharing personal information can increase the risk of fraud or identity theft. Safeguarding your account. Always prioritize security when using Venmo. Avoid sharing your account details with anyone you don't know or trust. Future possibilities. Evolving technology. As technology continues to advance, it's possible that Venmo or other payment apps might introduce features that allow for payments using phone numbers in the future. Industry trends. Keep an eye on industry trends and announcements from Venmo to stay informed about any upcoming changes. Conclusion. Recap. So, to answer the question, can you pay someone on Venmo with just their phone number? Unfortunately, not at this time. Venmo prioritizes security and privacy, so direct linking of phone numbers isn't currently supported. Alternative methods. If you need to send money to someone on Venmo, you can use their username, QR code, or ask them to share their account details. Stay informed. Remember to stay updated on Venmo's features and policies to ensure you're using the app safely and effectively. Call to action. Subscribe and like. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Outro. Final thoughts. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Venmo or other payment apps, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.